Hello, this is JD and we have a product overview here of Gravity Forms plugin by Rocket Genius. This plugin is a very powerful web forms generator. It's a premium plugin and provides very powerful features, although it's still easy to use and great for forms management by people of all skill levels. It can integrate with payment gateways for collecting payments and works with autoresponders and lots more, as I'll show you now. The creation of forms is really simplicity itself. On the right hand side you'll see the fields that are available. You simply click on the one you want, it appears on the left hand side, you enter the details for it. If your fields are in the wrong order, you just drag and drop them until you're happy. The standard fields are the ones you'd expect for any form, single line, multi-line text, drop downs, checkboxes, etc. If you don't like the order of radio buttons and multi-selects, you can drag them within the interface. Fields can be required, they can have a default value, you can set your validation message if you want one. They can all have label and description text and whatever other parameters are suitable for that field. It's a very clean looking form, but if you want to jazz it up or change it, then there is the ability to add CSS styles for all or any of the boxes. The advanced fields are fields with a special meaning, and it's quite obvious what they are as soon as you look at them, and you find you're using these a lot. So we have a name field which has first name and last name, much better than putting in two normal text fields. Address field, again, much better to have this than to try and put each line in. Email, time, phone, date. These are all also validated to the information that's expected on them as well, so that adds to their features. For those people that wish to use forms to generate content to put into their WordPress site, these are the post fields which allow you to do that. So we have the title, which is the title or heading, the body, which is the name, body of the text, excerpt is the shorter version if you're going to use that. You've got the tags, the category field, the image field, and the ability to add a custom field as well. For those people that wish to use Gravity Forms for generating mini websites for selling things, then these pricing fields are fantastic for that. We have the product field, quantity, option, and shipping in total. These will integrate with payment gateways, and this information will be passed on to the payment gateway. It's very nicely integrated and allows you to create mini shopping carts very easily. Gravity Forms have their own range of add-ons which is available to the developers. The Picatcher is a graphical version of the Capatcher. In other words, a way of saying if you're a human you can answer this, and if you're not, you're a machine and we should ignore you. The polls add-on allows you to do simple polls, the quiz the same, the survey the same as that. User registration allows you to create a form which then registers the user into the WordPress users. The signature add-on is a little box that you can use a pen enabled device to put a signature onto. Twilio is a gateway for sending and receiving SMS messages, and we can talk to that. We can also pass data into email marketing plugins. Using this we can talk to Aweber, MailChimp, and Campaign Monitor. For those payment gateways and those shopping cart ideas, we can use Authorize.net and PayPal to pass on the payments. And a very interesting add-on coming the other way, in the WooCommerce platform it's possible to put an add-on in which allows you to add a Gravity Form questionnaire to a shopping cart item, so maybe for more options of purchase or customization of a product. Once you have your form created, it can be added to any post or page. There's an add form button, as you see there, added to the editor, and this brings up a box which allows you to select the form and you put it in like a shortcode. Once your form has been collected, you have the ability to say thank you to the user, either with a message or you can send it to a page. You can also send out notification emails to the admins, the user that just entered the data, or anybody else. And those emails can contain any message you like. You can have multiple emails created, and they can contain all or none of the fields that have been entered. Please note that all the data entered into the fields is also separately stored in the database for extraction later. Other neat features of this are the ability to import and export your designs between sites or to back them up. You can also export all the entries that have been collected for a particular form. Forms can be multi-page if you're worried about too many questions on one sheet. Conditional forms allow you to set some fields to appear if certain values in other fields are set, and scheduled forms means that the form can appear and disappear between certain times. Gravity Forms is a premium plugin available from gravityforms.com. We don't know the number of downloads, but we believe it's installed on over 1 million websites, and as a premium plugin it costs from $39 for one site annual upgrades. Thank you very much for watching.